Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some mashed potatoes with spinach. Yes, we're going to mix the spinach in with the mashed potatoes because the spinach help build your immune system, and of course we got to do something against the infection that's going on nationwide, okay? Alright, so stay tuned. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do, okay? Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Check out the links below. And subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, because I welcome you. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have 4 white potatoes. I have my water in the pot here on the stove. About 1/4 worth of water. I'm going to put the potatoes in. Now we're going to add to the water some garlic, because this helps the immune system. The garlic helps, builds the immune system, okay? So that's about 2 teaspoons of garlic. I got garlic paste. You can use regular garlic, cut it up, or you can make yours garlic paste, or whatever you feel you need to do with the garlic, okay? Any kind of garlic work. Black pepper. Kosher salt. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on and let this boil. It should take about maybe 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes for the potatoes to get soft. Once they get soft, I'm going to take them out, drain the water off, and then we're going to mix the margarine with it and fresh spinach. We're not cooking the spinach. We're going to put it in as fresh as we can. And the hotness of the mashed potatoes will help cook the spinach some. But we're trying to get it as raw as possible without eating it raw, so that we can get all the benefits, okay? Alright, so we'll be back in 20 minutes, okay? And wait a minute, why don't I give you the word of the day? Why not? 1 second. These trying times during this infection that's nationwide is really testing our patience, our endurance, our thought process, our management, our everything. It's just testing us. And don't fail the test. The test is survival. So whatever you've been doing, if you feel it wasn't working before, it's definitely not going to work now. So scrap that. Let's start over and figure out how you're going to survive, how you're going to pay your bills, how you're going to manage the kids, how you're going to manage keeping your head on with this situation. You can do it. I know you can. This is a word of encouragement. You can do it. Yes, you can. You can do it. Yes, you can. I have faith in you. Okay, so try, okay? Don't give up. Don't give up. Grandma's rooting for you. Please don't give up, okay? That's the word of the day. Yes, you can. Don't give up. All right, that's the word of the day. Okay guys, our potatoes are boiled and soft, so I'm going to mash them right in here. I'm not going to use a potato masher. I'm going to use a whisk because I want to leave chunks. So I'm going to put, you see, a heaping tablespoon of margarine. Let's go with maybe 2 of those, okay? That's Smart Balance margarine. Kosher salt. black pepper. And here's our spinach, okay? So first I'm going to mash it. I did leave about 2 tablespoons of water that the potatoes was boiled in here because I wanted the flavor from the garlic that I had put in there for it to cook with. Okay, I think we got some chunks here and there. Okay, now you want to put the spinach in while it's hot. So I have baby spinach here. It doesn't matter how much. That's a big handful, okay? That's probably maybe a cup. I'd say a cup. So now I want to get a big spoon and fold that in. And if you keep working it, the spinach will reduce in size. Okay, I want to taste that, and I'm going to also add some cheese to that. I need salt. I'm going to add a little more garlic. And some more pepper. I'll taste it again. I still need more salt. Gonna clean up my sides. Okay, now I'm gonna add cheese. Okay, I have some American cheese here. just putting a couple of slices on here. Like that. Now I'm going to put this in the microwave for a minute just for the cheese to melt. 1 second. Okay guys, that cooked in the microwave for about a minute and a half. Look at that, huh? So it goes to show you, you can incorporate items that boost the immune system in many ways, okay? So if I cook the spinach, yes, you would get some benefits, but not the total. But by not cooking it, you get 100% of all the benefits of the spinach to boost the immune system, okay? So let's give this a taste. Just gonna take me a spoonful. Oh, can't see me, can you? 1 second. Okay, here we go. Wow. That enhanced that mashed potatoes dramatically. I taste the creaminess of the cheese, and the spinach almost gets lost. I can barely taste it. Let me taste it again. Okay. The spinach is not as strong as it would be if it was by itself. Guys, you've got to try this one. This hits home. Even the kids will love this. They already like the mashed potatoes. They don't really care that much about vegetables that much, but when you mix it in with this and the cheese, I think they'll go for it. Okay? Alright, check out the links below. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, okay? Share this video, please. Let everybody know this can help. The spinach and the garlic in it can help boost the immune system, and we need that in a time where we have this infection going on nationwide, okay? From Grandma Ray. Talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.